In front of me is Honor 20 Lite, and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first you need to open your phone dialer, as this is the place that we'll be entering those codes. And let's start with the first one, also the longest one. It is *##, 284 657 9 *##. And here we've got the project menu, where you can check background settings, vernier information, network information query, software upgrade. You can also perform a factory reset here, and then check the battery charge. So if you'd like to check something, just mark it. And for example, here you can change the USB port settings. Tap here, and then simply by tapping you can change it. It's the same with AP log settings. You can open it or close it, it's up to you. And this is how you can use it for each of the option here. So let me go back. That would be the first one, the project menu. And the second code that I would like to share with you is *##, 0000, so 4 O's, #*. And here we've got the about phone info, so you can read the model here, build number, hardware version, both email numbers, MSPL version, MLPL version, and also ICC ID. So this is it. Let me go back. That would be all for those two. Another code that you can use here is *##, 426, *##. And here we've got the FCM diagnostic mode. It is performed by Google, and you can check your events and also status here. And if you want to reach more advanced info, or if you would like to actually read all events and status details, tap on more icon, select advanced view, and here you've got it all. So you can smoothly enter it and then be provided with the whole package of details. And that would be all for this one. Another code that you can use here is *##, 225, *##. And here we've got the calendar info, so all upcoming events will be stored in one place. You don't have to scroll through your calendars. It is here, as you can see, from Google Calendar, from this device's calendar, and also any other account that you have connected with this device, and you will be able to see all events in one place. And the last code that I would like to show you, it's also the shortest one, but I think it's one of most frequently used. It is *##06#, and this one will provide you with unique numbers assigned to your owner, which are email and serial numbers. And this is it. That will be all. Tap on OK to go back. You can use those codes whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.